There it goes again. Oh, this is classic. Blah blah test, blah blah blah, mobile blah blah, traffic jam, blah blah blah. Oh, that did it almost right on cue. This is documenting Yaesu ftm350. Complaint is crackling in the audio breaking up, but it appears that this thing is just going spurious, and there it just did it again. And this is kf5dkh's radio, the one that we're complaining when he operates, he falls out of the repeater. And I suspect it's because it gets noisy and the squelch on the repeater closes. Blah blah, traffic jam, blah blah, getting out to get gas out of auto body experience, blah blah blah. Blabbida blabbida, blabbida airplane, blabbida codeless tech. It seems like it's struggling, like when I initially transmit, it struggles to find lock. And there it goes again. You know,